Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to answer calls automatically while you are using a Bluetooth device or headset? The answer automatically feature lets your phone answer incoming calls after a delay, so you don't have to tap the screen. Let me show you how. First, open the phone app. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Answering and Ending Calls. Tap Answer Automatically. Turn the feature on. Now, choose how long your phone should wait before answering an incoming call. You can choose after 2 seconds, after 5 seconds, after 10 seconds, or set a custom time. For this example, let's choose after 5 seconds. This gives you a few moments to hear who's calling before the call is answered automatically, making it a good choice when you are driving or using wireless earbud. Keep in mind that this feature only works while a headset or Bluetooth device is connected. And that's how you automatically answer calls with Bluetooth on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.